My next technology that's 100% free is Kahoot.com. This is one of my new favorites that we use at the end of a section. After we teach a topic for a few weeks, we come back and do kind of a review, or if we have a day where I have one class ahead of another, we'll kind of play this game to get the other class caught back up. Log in up here on the top right. Come in here and we'll go with continue with the free basic, and you can log in with Google. I'll use my other account here, the one that I typically use for all my school stuff. Log in here right quick. You can create an account that's already set up. Create a Kahoot. You can create your own game, or you can host a game. Let's just go in here and kind of look at the overview of the site itself. You can discover here, which is you can type in a topic that you want to go over. Type it in right quick and they'll come up with, there's 20,410 results. So there's so many different games already created that you don't have to create. You can come in right quick and do one that's already been made up for you. We just did a lesson over dairy cattle judging. So that gives us 351 results. So that narrows it down a little bit. You can click on here. It'll give you the questions, kind of give you a preview of what you're going to be asking the students. You can either play or you can challenge. You can do a classic or a team mode. We do a basic one-on-one. And then from here, if students are signed up and in, they can, let me mute this right here. They will type in this code to join the game that you are in, and then they can put their username in or whatever they want to play as. Good thing about this app is I have high school students that like to be funny and put in a different name that's not always school appropriate or classroom appropriate, so you can quickly disregard what they put on there and tell them to put in a different name or clean it up for you, and that way you don't have that going on, and it's kind of crazy. So once you get going with a game, you can click start and it'll go through and play the game for you, and it scores after every question and kind of gives a competitive edge to it. So it's kind of fun, I think, that to get some competitiveness going on in the classroom, to see who's really paying attention and who really cares. So we'll go back to the main page here. We'll just go to the home screen and we'll create a Kahoot here. So we'll create a new. Pretty simple. You can put in a picture here, just whatever you'd like. I don't have any pictures on my computer right now to put in, but you can put in the answer. Each question, and it has the different color coded. Come up here and you can type in, well, up in the top middle here, and type in just a basic, any question you want to ask. And then you can change how long they have to guess it. You can make it worth a different amount of points. Make it worth 0. You can make it worth 2,000, 1,000. And then once you get that done, you have to select a correct answer, obviously. Just select and then you can go over here and add a next. You can make it a quiz. You can add the next question and go on down the line. So it's really simple to make your own, but like I said, there's so many different ones that are already made up. It's really easy to use and really fun to have the kids play and see what they actually know in a fun type setting.